Hi everyone, my fellow believers and truth seekers. Have a great day. Family term in ancient Abram. Grandma is Sabta. Sabta. Grandpa is Saba. Saba. Mother is Ima. Ima. Father is Abba. Ava. Brother is Aki. Aki. Sister is Akot. Akot. Uncle is Dod. Dod. Cousin male, Bindod. Bindod. Cousin female is Batdod. Batdod. Nephew is Akian. Akian. Son is Yelid. Yelid. Daughter is Yalda. Yalda. Family is Mispaka. Mispaka. Sila!